Hello friends, welcome to Beardsley's Ghost Tours of Galveston Island. I am your host right now, Brian Trebig. Beardsley started these tours back in 1998, and it just started with just one single strand tour downtown in Galveston. And we gathered so many stories since '98 that we just had to keep on building these tours. He created the Restless Spirits Tour, another strand tour, and then onto a cemetery tour. And now we're about to embark on Beardsley's newest adventure, the Ghost Tour on the Bayou. I will be telling you the tales of Dickinson, the hauntings that were told to us about this place, and a lot of the crazy things that happen as well. We offer these tours Fridays and Saturdays right here on Dickinson Bayou, starting from 6 all the way to 11 at night. So we'll be here during the day and at night. But we're not sure what we're going to see tonight, but we're sure to try to show you something cool. All around, spirits are drawn to water, which is very interesting. That's why we believe Galveston is one of the most haunted cities in America. And we figured being on the water here on a boat just does that justice as well. There's been stories of people who have drowned in this water. We don't like to give the details of their names, but after the fact, people claim that they have seen their spirits wandering along the bulkhead here. And it's understandable. Science says energy cannot die, only transform into another state of consciousness. This bayou is linked to many, many mysteries. Death has seen this place so much. Murders, fires, suicide, you name it, diseases. And also the Great Storm of 1900, the Civil War, the pirate Jean Lafitte roaming around these parts. Some say there's buried treasure under this boat. I'm not scuba diving, but you can if you want to after the tour. When people take our tours, we encourage to take photographs because we have so much evidence of the afterlife. And so when you take this brand new boat tour in the bayou, people have seen apparitions of people along these bulkheads. And there's a little history of the legend, the Mothman. I don't know if you've heard of that, but the Mothman has been known to show up right before major disasters. He showed up before the 1900 storm, showed up before the 1947 Texas City disaster. And so I suspect that even along here at night, you may see a couple of beady eyes in the forest.
Beardsley's boat tour on the Bayou is a 1-hour ride filled with history and mystery. Currently running Friday and Saturday, starting at 6 p.m. For more information and tickets, visit ghosttoursofgalvestonisland.com or call 832-350-2761.